things, all me do, I try help people, look out for people. You see me? My youth, me I go through my thing, I'm call your wife, but my wife, and I talk to her. Queenie say, Ray. You see me? That's why God like, okay, you know, the Queenie prosper and she are blessed. No disrespect to Momo, but even though Queenie are blessed and she are prosper. You know why?
Because
God like,
I don't have no fucking problem with her. I don't give a fuck. You know
woman
that
are blessed
nice.
and she are
The only
prosper.
thing she said is when she brought up my nigga. You know I don't play that shit. But other than that, what I was saying, I said it. You know, no shit from the beginning. Other fuck me for arguing. Time out. Not nice. Big man thing. Calm down. Big man thing. Other fuck me for be upset with her. And at the end of the day, me not set no real. You know me would have never fuck that boy there.
Give him a beat. I'm putting him a place. I'm going to take
a
beat. I'm going to do something like a hand up to my thing. No, this boy I walk and mix up everybody.
You know me would have never fuck that boy there. You crazy? We sit down and make a plan. You
right.
think me would I take my pussy and get Dewey? Are you crazy? All of the worthless girl who are fucking and send the money. Them worthless, you fuck to me.
I'm gonna tell you.
Not nice. I sat in the car with this nigga and I heard this nigga say, you know what I mean for fight? Not nice.
Only reason I'm come from like right now because Andrew pick him up on my yard and do it, you were dead. So I'm making life, I'm not my deep on life, someone said can't.
He don't live there no more, nigga. He don't live there no more. So I know you keep talking about Uptown. He don't even live there no more.
My 3 East yesterday. So I don't know where I'm gonna do. You see me? So brother, stop fucking blood clot, brother. Come tell you say any man.
Bro, hold on. I don't want to hear on it because he already fucked now. That's a big one man thing. It ain't no go around. So my thing is you better go to God or something or some shit like this. Anyway, no, but Carla, he could never line me up because I know what I'm doing. What the fuck you mean? After him never do nothing to me. Ona, can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but can hear you loud and clear.
Like I said, because you cutting me off. There ain't nothing for you to, you can't talk about, this with dead. I don't give a fuck about none of that. At the end of the day, nigga, I don't give a fuck. You notice I never reacted to her. That's what she supposed to do. I feel her husband or whatever. I ain't give a fuck about none of that. I knew the fucking assignment. You could never line me up. That's why I made it brawling in front of his face. I could have done with anybody. Brawling in front of him face. I cash you and pick me up from the airport from day one. From day fucking one.
You what pissed him off now? Oh, him start to cash in like the Wednesday. I said, oh, I cash in and say, oh, bro, you know, if she come to Jamaica, I'm going to tell you. And then the next day, they are like, two cash in and say, bro, like, nigga, the nigga rate to push.
He thought I was coming the Thursday. I missed my flight. I didn't come until the Friday. But I'm glad I missed my flight, else none of this would have occurred. Then he got in his bag and said I came to Jamaica and didn't tell him. Rightfully, I don't have to tell you shit until it's time for us to work. You understand what I'm saying?
Right. If I'm talk about, oh, not nice, they might call me, I'm not answer, I'm not going to do no blood clot interview with a girl. So I say, okay then.
Oh! And then he put up that post.
Hold up. So me I say,
okay. Not nice, not
all right, hold on. So all right, here, master. The question I want to ask, the big question I want to ask. All right.
Yeah.
Me not want to fuck Momo. Me not have a problem with that. Is it me? It's just the customer that say, is it me? But why you in your bag because woman come to Jamaica and tell you? Why you in the bag because Catherine said he want to spend some time with you? Why? If you never want to fuck the girl, why? Why you vexed about that? Why you black them? Why? Why? If you never, why?
Me and Cash Wayne. And then,
why you black them? Because you want to fuck Momo to fuck your friend. You vexed.
I got the message within the... No, because it is mine. You carrying pussy feelings. Pussy feelings.
I'm going to tell you what happened, brother. I'm going to tell you what happened. Him styling bumbucker, baby mother, think him gonna fuck you. Because all the time when baby mother go through it, him think gonna fuck and him never get to fuck you. So him have to run back. Him can't come America now. Him have England and Canada alone. Him can't really go England, so Canada alone left. So him have try to do this now to make it look like pussy, go suck your mother. You see me? You go Canada, I'm still make a man come stepping in your face, batty boy. So nobody play me, brother. Just easier time, bro. Stop mixing up people, bro. You're not killing nobody. You're not a back for your soul, a pussy. And that's why judgment that take me more time.
One of these bitches,
all take me. Pussy.
Yo, it ain't even, yo, bro, just chill, bro. When I tell you chill, just chill. Why you can't chill
Work my
sometimes?
blood clot, they brother. January 2004 start. I'm gonna make
Why
6,200
you can't
from work.
chill? Because you not
I'm gonna
even
make
letting me
fucking
talk, no.
$2.
But why you can't chill? You know when you just told me about the pressure cooker, I laughed. That shit is funny as fuck to me. And then he went over there to bring it back and telling Cash Wayne that, you know, Maria, you know, I'm not gonna mention on the name. Why would I do that?
Him say
And Cash
page,
Wayne
him go
say,
page cash win. Fuck the
what?
mama. Bring back what the man say, okay, I'm page cash, the cash say my pussy. I rate it, no, a friend from cash win rate it. And oh, him mother say, hold on, man. Him talk about him mother call cash win and a big piece. Mommy, we are calling boy for
First of all, the mother was calling. The mother called and said, please, while Sunday, I beg Cash Wayne, say, make sure none of your friend them, please, not touch me, son them. Because Cash Wayne can't control them boy there. Not just him can say yeah or no. But in other case, all them watch him head back, them are gonna take it personal. So I feel blood clot business that. Yeah. Hey, I never know him. Hey, do your fuck up. Hey, you check Cash Wayne.
I want to tell my yo.
Yo, Cash don't talk, bro.
Tell Momo
and
as
if
me tell me
getting in
as
any
is me
trouble.
talk as blood clot is better. I don't want nobody mix me better. So from what
That
they
nice.
say.
You know what me I wait pan? You know me I wait pan? Me I wait for him say you say something about me like direct. I'll know him can't say you say nothing about me direct. Him keep on to say you look like you want fuck me because you keep on a call or ask me and I talk about me and certain things.
Oh, thing must
And when me
oh, what on the Momo, what I said, I'm glad to be a man that give the van car. I hear Momo with a drive up tonight and I look like fool cash or fuck cash. And that's all I said to him. That I said, no,
first of all, I've never been in a car with Dewey. I've never been in a car with Dewey.
No, if you have a man, what on the man? Listen, man. Be a man have
No,
a
but
van,
overall, though, I'm just going to
Jamaica.
shut it down. I've never, no, I wouldn't make, yo, Dewey a clown to me now. You want me really talk? You know me, no blood clot bad man. You see me power with nobody like Dewey in real life? Oh, see my man there. Yeah, I'm saying page you. Are you a pussy?